or operator. Or operator is used to get more relevant result. Let's see this example. Rose or marigold. So open Google, then type rose and then type or. The or should be in capital, then type marigold. So we are searching for the rose and marigold only. So use double quote before and after our search query. So add double quote after the word Mary and before the word Mary and after the word rose and before the word rose. We have added double quote because we are searching for rose and marigold only, no other flower. So press enter. We can see here the images of marigold. Here it is rose. We can see about rose. We can see about marigold, marigold, rose, rose, marigold, marigold. So we have seen that it is searching for both the result using OR operator. OR operator is also useful when we are looking for synonym terms. Let's see this example. So type stupid, then type or should be in capital, then space, then type silly and then press enter. We can see we are getting link regarding stupid, silly, stupid, 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 silly, stupid, silly, stupid, silly. So in this way we can find any article regarding stupid and silly using OR operator. Now try on your own some other synonyms.